one of those?
Yeah, you want some potato chips?
Yeah.
All right. Here we are on another quick Friday night camping adventure. I've got River, Rita, and Penny with me tonight. Lauren is down at the cottage with a friend, so it's me and the kids and the dog. So we're on this road that we've never been down before. We've been in the area before, but we've never taken this road, and we were looking for a particular lake. We just turned around because I believe that the mud puddle in the middle of the road was just too deep for the truck, and it is already 7 o'clock. Usually the kids are in bed at this time, so I wasn't going to mess with that thing. So I just thought, you know what, we passed this spot, there's a lake right here. It's not the lake we were looking for, but there's a little trail that we're going to explore. We're going to go and we're going to go see what's around. Yep. Penny's gonna go swimming. So I think the new plan is to get the truck into this little spot here, and this is actually really pretty. Again, it's not the lake that I was looking for. I knew it was here, but from Google Maps it didn't appear like there was much of a camp spot, and this is pretty small. We probably won't have a fire here tonight, but we've got the lantern.
I want a fire.
You want a fire? Well, we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do. But yeah, I think this is our camping spot.
Can I have a marshmallow when we get back?
It's cooling off, so we're gonna get cozy here shortly. But first, we need to have some supper. We've got some egg salad sandwiches in the truck, and we're gonna do that. And then, who knows? We might do a movie. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get a fire going, but did we find a nice lake to camp at?
Yeah.
We did. Are we happy that we're here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's get some supper going. Who's excited for some egg salad sandwiches?
I'm not.
Rita, I think you're gonna like this.
No. I like it.
You do?
I like the sandwich.
Here, Rita. Just watch where you're standing.
Daddy, look at this.
It does look like that, doesn't it?
Rewind the TV. Daddy, what is that? Whoa.
I'm not sure, but that could have been a whole bunch of coyotes. I've never heard that.
I never heard it either.
And it sounded like a lot of them, but I don't really know. It could have been 4. But it also sounded like it's like right there, like definitely within half a kilometer, for sure. Anyway, we're getting ready for bed. Good morning. Penny and I walked down alongside the lake looking for a good spot to fish, and we noticed that there was a loon on the lake and a beaver as well. And at one point, the beaver and the loon kind of crossed paths, said good morning to each other, and then turned around. The beaver turned around and went the other way. So yeah, I can hear woodpeckers, all different kinds of birds. I didn't get it on film, but I saw the loon take off. That was really cool. The beaver came and checked Penny and I out as I was about to fish from the rocks right here, and was kind of like letting us know that we were in its territory. And of course the beaver slapped the water and then disappeared underwater for a few seconds. So the kids are still sleeping. Rita was awake momentarily. I covered her up and she's all cozy, but Penny's been in and out of the water. I've tossed the line in a few times. We walked down to where the end of the trail there, where then it starts getting overgrown. Didn't get any bites, but like I said, it's been a very interesting morning, because it's not every morning you get to share a lake with a loon and a beaver. So I'm just making some coffee right now, and it's about 10 after 7. I imagine if everything goes well, River and Rita will be down for at least another hour, as we were up really late last night, like still awake at like 10:30 late. So hopefully they get to sleep a little bit more. And as far as the plan today, we might go back out and explore a couple of the roads that we didn't go down yesterday coming into this spot. So maybe we'll find another camp spot and stay another night. Coffee smells good. So we decided to head on out and find a new spot to hang out at, because the bugs are getting bad here, the no-see-ums, right? What did you think of the beaver this morning?
Good! Yeah. It was 2 beavers.
Did you think there were 2 beavers?
Yeah. I saw one and you saw one.
Well, let's head out and maybe we will see some more wildlife. Sound good?
What's wildlife?
Wildlife is like animals.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. I don't think we're staying out here tonight, because this is the last sandwich. I guess we got a whole thing of eggs, egg salad, minus the sandwich. We could stay out here for another night. But what do you think, Riv? Do you want to sleep in your own bed tonight, or do you want to sleep in this bed again?
I want to sleep in this bed again.
You do?
Yeah.
You want to stay out in the woods another night?
Dad, can I take your hat? I need to wrap a butterfly. You take my sunglasses, okay? You have to use our hands. See a butterfly?
So we finished up our butterfly and dragonfly hunting little excursion, and the kids are in the camper cap watching a bit of a movie. I put Penny in the truck of the cab to have a little rest, and I did a little bit of fishing down here. No bites, no luck so far, but I think what I'm going to do is get the kids all packed up one more time, and we're going to try to find a lake that I've never actually been to. I keep trying to find the access road, and I keep missing it somehow when I drive by. So we're going to keep our eyes peeled on the way back and see if we can find the access road into this last lake. Alright, so what we're doing now is we're going down this pretty narrow road. This part here is not too bad actually, but I'm trying to find this lake that I thought was a different lake that I've been to a couple of other times, but this part of the lake that I thought was joined, these two lakes are actually separate because I finally noticed that the lake that I've been to before has a different name than the lake that I'm trying to get to now. So I've always wanted to get to this lake. Hopefully I'll be there within a kilometer. It's not late in the day or anything like that, but the narrow road is, you know, it's just a little bit narrow. Let's go find this lake. So I think I might pull the plug on this journey because there's another truck in here, and he's obviously stopped. Maybe he knows something that we don't know. He'd probably be in there walking in. And Reedy's getting kind of car sick. So I think what we will do is we'll probably figure out how to turn around here and head back out. Yeah, this is what it's been like pretty much the entire way in. Not a whole lot of room on this road. And I mean, you don't know unless you go down on it. I mean, actually the first little bit, probably the first kilometer or so, was quite like open like this. Like everything on the side was cut back. But we keep getting into these spots where everything is just, you know, overgrown. And like I said, there was another truck in there, so they may or may not know something that I don't know. We're not going to continue down this road, obviously, and Rita's feeling car sick, so I'm trying to go back as quickly as possible. So I just pulled into this road to head down to a lake that I've been at before, and River suggested that, you know, it's time to call this little adventure done, and that's okay. The kids get car sick, and Reedy is catching some Z's right now. She had a pretty rough go there when we were in that last spot. So she's resting right now. Penny's resting. River, how are you feeling, bud?
Good.
You feeling good? But you need to go home now, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. So this is going to be, this will be the end of the video, and thanks for checking us out, and stay tuned for the next adventure. Please like and subscribe. Right, Riv?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say bye.